We can also select XY regions on our sample to scan by selecting wells in a well plate format. So here we're looking at a 384 well plate, and if I select wells, you'll notice that our parameters for the scan size and shape remain roughly the same, so I can still pick between a square, a circle, or a rectangle, and I can modulate the scan size. Let me zoom in to show specifics of that. So if I change the scan size to say 3 millimeters, I can see that I get a 4x4 field of view grid, 3 millimeters on a side. That roughly covers the entirety of that particular well. You'll notice on the left that I've selected here, it's grayed out, so it is selected well F2. If I zoom back out here, I can see that if I select wells F2 and F3, now that same 4x4 grid is repeated in the next cell over. So by selecting wells, I can repeat that same pattern across as many wells as I'd like across the well plate. In order to select wells, I can either click on wells individually, if there's particular wells or single wells I'd like to collect. If I hold on the Control key, I can select and add wells to the selection, and also click on those selected wells to deselect them. I can also hold down Control and click drag to select a region of wells, and I can click on that region again if I'd like to delete particular wells in that region. And you can see that whatever my selection happens to be in the well selector, that is then repeated or replicated then on our scan map as each well having the same scan grid. So each of these positions will be collected during our experiment.